That's what that is. I didn't know what the fuck it was. I know it's Triple Truck Challenge. And next to races here, Bristol and Rockingham. But I didn't know what the fuck they were. I didn't know that it was that little logo. I didn't know what the fuck it was. I just fucking saw them. Actually, no, never mind, because they all have them. I don't fucking know. Oh, he gets shunted out the way. Come on, honey, cut. He's what? Oh. Oh, he has a tire down. Oh, Heim's in the wall. No. Fuck. Damn it. Ah. Well, hey, Honeycutt's in the lead. God damn it. Maybe A can get his fucking second win. God damn it. Ah. Last week, engine failed. Reset it, go back to the lead, it failed again. This week, we do the same thing. We dominate, and we hit the wall, and Ty just goes down, and we fucking wreck. Just went down right into the corner. I was seeing it go down like really entering the corner. It went in like before entering the corner. That wasn't even that bad. How the hell the cut? Okay. It doesn't look like too much damage though, so we should be okay if we can get a good restart. Maybe be able to salvage this a little bit, but damn it.